Bro, it was a great performance by Masicka. Great performance, bro. Brother, how much dancehall artists you see a perform and people are cry? Eh? Me don't know where them people get these narratives from. Bad man, he come like a Michael Jackson on the stage.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You got people. Hold on. Can I? Hey, somebody get your most wanted. Anytime you bring in someone, come here, no feeling out of it. Come here and keep on.
Belalang kupu-kupu. Taprak biara me kalau malam minum cucu. Ore minum cucu. Minum cucu.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
When you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. We don't know a thing set. So people, John Order, I tell people, the baby Crocs some cry. Them need help. John, we look like Gaza threw them off a ship and the man them dead up on a little banana boat. I try and make it to shore, dog. John, baby Crocs. I think gonna say not the baddest thing, man. I'm no rich man, I'm not president. I wanna cry out, so people wanna have to hear this wagwan.
Yo, my love is very like Crocs. I'm happy, bro. Cause 438 release back over the iTunes list.
Yeah, man, we talk about that too. We talk about that. Definitely. I will agree this go up our side, man. You see me? We start off with a tiger. You understand? So me start off. Yeah, man, I start off. You don't know me did that thing. So I start off the reason with Antigua people. Antigua was very, very nice. So I say, very, very nice festival people. And what to look for the lineup alone, I make it say, I don't know joke thing, you understand? I'm not joking. I don't feel like it's a regular show and like a small show we go. You get me? I say, a big festival we go. We want to see crowd and everything, and we see the organization. You see what I say, bro? I'm telling you, say, one side they're on a different level, and that's why they're not gonna like we. Because them see our thing, they're on a serious level. You get what I say?
People. So this a Masicka cousin. Seeing? AKA Vlogga. You hear them reason? Me see Masicka dey on an interview already and him say when them ask him, so yo, want you bridging them like them no more. The man say yo, him bridging them no give him no reasoning. I be a yes man there on him. You understand? That's why you see him go and chat one bag of thing in the media. You see it? Cause I be a yes man there on him. You see it?
And they must say, then they start them to know how far them you can reach. You see me? And no for them I get show up by how far Masicka reach because them have a longer career. You see what I say? And them the more antics and them still no reach where them reach. So that's why they might try stop it. They might try put a stop to the engine right now. You understand? But that can't. But believe me, people, nice show. And as I said, you see the lineup, Capleton. You see what I say? People like Capleton, Gramps Morgan, Christopher Martin. You get me? Say no, say another like small name. They are the show. You see me? And just Masicka can stick Sabam and get booking amongst the greats. You see it? Not
Bro. Yo, me tell you the money I love hype up Masicka. Yo, dog, when they can hype up Masicka, you freak dog, and it's still not do nothing for you, man. The man say, yo, get book amongst the greats. Bro, look how much artists book with great want to Sunface. Bro, how much artists always get book with big artists, brother. So I don't know you take that as leverage.
only just get booking amongst the greats. And not only just getting booking amongst the greats, but getting booked as the headliner. Along with Capleton. You see me? Furthermore, we talk about that more. Because that's significant as well, you know. You understand? Remember, Capleton a legend we talk about, you know. Remember, everybody on the street can call him a legend, you know. Or near or soon to be legend, you know. You understand? And the fact that Masicka get more time to perform than all of them. What that tell you about the catalog Masicka have? We know.
Bro, what you mean get more time? How much song Masicka perform? This man, bro, it show your Masicka catalog. Brother, the only video, but tell people already, you know, anytime Whites song I go play, them hype it up. Come and drop a video, where the people? Seeing? When you're just looking at the description, come and go pin it there, so. Seeing? So look here now. Me know say, cause I in video Masicka down at Antigua, you know. And me know say when Masicka go sing Whites, them I go hype up the song and then you. Cause I go pull up the video, you know. I know him did I go come do this. You understand? Cause I'm just basically I go live and I talk about everything. Cause him and Masicka them did their Antigua. You understand? So, them always do them something for hype up whites and make it look like say the whole performance did good. You understand? When we don't see everybody don't see the clip in them already, say, brother, you not do nothing. You even have to beg the people them for put up phone light, bro. Superstar not do them thing there.
People are pretend to him not have. Cause remember, you know, when I got the minutes, I know where you want to, you know. When I perform on a set for a real show, like some fests and all these festivals amongst the world, the time when you get to perform is not what you want to perform, you know. And when the organizer them choose, when the organizer them see, basically see, feasible for you. Yes, the best will make sense to them. So I know you tell them, say, oh, more perform 10 minutes, say, no. They might tell you how long they want you perform based on how the show organized. And that based on the catalog. Because they obviously not the artists have 10 hit song and 10 say perform an hour. That don't make no sense.
Brother, but Masicka perform the song them. You'd wonder what kind of song them, brother. The people them now show the energy of the song wanna say it's, bro. You understand? You see, you know me no realize, you know me no like we do no Crocs. We no like show an artist say, yo, this need to improve and all of them look at thing there. Every day you know get him and hype him up. And this is why things go worse for him, you know. You understand? Because uno na see, you know, uno just there in a delulu situation uno na see when other people are look on it. You understand? Because this is one of the performance where everybody did that pay attention to. We see all of the clip them, bro. You understand? We see all of the clip them, fam. The biggest reel you get are with whites. And you have to beg for the phone light, bro. And I like whites have turn on and then when I start be them a put up phone light and all of them look at thing there, bro. You understand? Because you and your artist tell people them to put up the phone light. See? Fine. Phone light go up, then you go say, yo, we want the world to see it because you know say you as the vlogger, I go click that piece there and put it out there and say, look what my artist do. But you nah show and clip up the other rest of performance. See? So look here now. After the people them are put down back the phone light now, no more phone light. Your artist are gonna say, yo, keep them up, don't take them down. We want the world, we want them see this. So why never say that from the get-go? Why when a whites basically the last song, another last song in perform, you know, but it's like the second to last song he might go perform. Cause him did things him did go done the show at whites. You understand? But he must sing you on next song. But he make sure say, yo, tell the promoter, yo, let's shut off the light. Because them know at that part of them I go clip. You understand? But he might go pull up the video.
You see me? Yeah. So we do the maths. You see me? Alright then. So the fact the Masicka get more time than everybody else, that's very significant as well, people. You see me? But we'll start off here, so people. What I say is, bro, it was a great performance by Masicka. Great performance, bro. Brother, how much dancehall artists you perform and people cry?
People, that brother. Weird, cause it come like you know watch them clip here, people. Cause some of the time I have to wonder with them youth, you know. You understand? Watch you know, people. Cause I this him I talk about.
Yes, I want it. You got to go. Can I not? You don't have to. Yes, I want it. You got to. We can't sing it there. Balance it. Yes, I want it. You got to go. Can I dance it? You don't have to. Yes, I want it. You got to go. Well, on. Can I? Hey, somebody get your most wanted. Anytime you bring it, someone come down and belly put on it. Come in and give up. Somebody get your most wanted.
Yo, me no know where I'm seeing, brother. Me no know where I'm seeing. That's why I tell you say, yo, them youth don't really have no meds.
Yeah, man, yo, me office.
Them no youth don't really have no meds, dog. I tell you that.
Cry.
So look here now. He must say, Masicka make one girl cry.
Eh? I don't know where them people get these narratives from. Bad man, he come like a Michael Jackson on the stage. I cry, people, I cry. When the man perform him song, bro. You see what I say?
Man say come like Michael Jackson, I cry. Brother, if a Michael Jackson up on that stage, brother, I tear them at the stage I fall on if you take out Michael Jackson, bro. Me don't know wait, bro. If you compare Michael Jackson performance with Masicka, brother, yeah, hear that? Them money are sick, bro. Me tell you say I be a yes man around them, you know, cause Masicka the same, you know. He may come out and talk about this and that, you know. But this money I say Michael Jackson to rot it. Dog, you know really sick. You know, yo, an artist I see him, brother.
And you see,
crowd.
that's how you separate
Yo.
good music from mediocre foolishness. Music where the people them can relate to. You understand? But now remember, say, I know every dancehall artist have music where real people were out there do a regular 9 to 5 can relate to, brother. We have struggle. We have it rough in our life. You see?
Brother, I'm not fool in another sense, you know. Bro, every dancehall artist have a song where can relate to in a life, bro. Stop it, brother. Yo, the man that take some little simple thing to make it feel like Masicka do anything, bro. Every dancehall artist, bro, have song where people can relate to, brother. You understand? He's an artist. Them a go sing about things where them go through. Remember, say them a human thing, brother. You understand? So, brother, I wanna use some little silly thing for prep up Masicka, brother. Yo, I wanna sick, dog.
Yeah. And them the kind of people that dog represent same way. And not normal, brother. You know, go see nobody. Yeah, you notice you don't see nobody have post that up. Only like me and Danger them alone. Me see post I think on Instagram.
But because the negative. I'm always still, bro. The credit they keep on the sim. We don't need them to post it, man. Them good. You understand?
Brother, because bro, no nah set no impact, brother. So the PHM now got the PHM will post up cartel and performance and alkaline performance them. You understand? But them nah post up nothing did it with Masicka, brother. Nothing did it impactful. Yeah, me and Deja go post it, yes. But waste of time for bro, you want man them post a performance them where everybody I see when I'm going with the Antigua. That don't make no sense, bro. That I only just flap the man thing. Even more worse. So man, them not gonna waste them time post them type of performance, bro. And it not get the reaction, brother.
I mean, them keep doing what them do. Them have to do what them do. You understand? Them alright. The negative them want to focus on, fine. Good publicity, bad publicity, still publicity. You see what I say?
And enough of the Instagram page, I know una an artist. The page in the pan payroll, so we understand.
Can't go and keep artists there.
Keep Masicka in the algorithm. Exactly.
Yeah.
You see it? Because we don't know, we right now, you know, everything Masicka doing, brother. Alright, you see how when the dog all go drop all in single them and now for that year, you go hear them out there say, oh, it's song flop, oh this, oh that, see him flow all kind of fuck you. Then now go tell us it's song of foolishness, you know. You will never hear them say that.
But brother, we've been some Masicka one flow song. And every song uno, you know, when Masicka drop song, uno say it's in every song him drop a it's. And then see him go Antigua there and flap out when him perform the song. People them don't know, some of the people them don't know the song them. You understand? So uno with the bag of it's thing, we know some Masicka have one flow, bro. Everybody know that, brother. You understand? The same sound, everything. So that's nothing new. So what you talk about this year now make no sense.
No, I'm not gonna sing foolishness. They know that.
Exactly.
Them no mas gonna sing garbage. Them just can create negative. You see what I say? Them just can create narratives. But them none sing fuckery. You see me? But what I'm saying, bro, watch this.
So look at now, people. See? I go play it and now you see it? I tell you how them did. I know them did go do this, you know. The man them put up the clip where Masicka beg the people and put up phone light to make it look like him a do something. You understand? Because him up on the stage and him shame. Him see the crowd reaction, nobody now move. Him know that. That's why you see him up on the stage, him turn sideways, facing him bridging them over the side of the sound box. And I shot him eye. Him can't be if you see the crowd just stand up on him and now move. But them are gonna pull up the video now with the whites. Because them plan it. Them clip out that part if you make say, yo, you look like him going with things. But look, him I go play it.
Can create narratives. But them none sing fuckery. You see me? But what I'm saying, bro, watch this.
Masicka say them for wave the phone like them make them see what I go on. Me not understand that, brother. You see this are the thing, you know, someone knows say, bro, we not reach that level there yet, brother. Because when I do this, all of this thing for me, they have a clip to make it look like so I do something. Why you have to tell people them say, yo, wave to make them see what I go on? See what? We don't have watch a video already and they say, yo, bro, nothing go on. And you want make it hype it up. Look at now, people. I think I'm going to tell the people, them say, yo, keep up the phone, don't take it down. Make the world see. You see it? You might tell the people, say, yo, don't take down the phone, them. Bro, you're not ready yet, Masicka, dog. You're not ready yet. As a superstar, as an artist, superstar not ask people, me see what I try though. But brother, that now go show anything, bro. I don't hear what you say to the people them already. You understand?
Say to him, say, people are going to look on that and tell me, say, the performance flop. People are going to look on that and tell me, say, Masicka had a flop performance. Make it make sense. And then a man say, I want to sing that. Again.
Yo, the Crocs, yo, the man forget an Oscar award, bro. Brother, you just play one video a while ago, brother. One video. Zine, then you go ask the people and say, yo, it's like, yeah, ricochet yourself like you say, yo, a one video. But at the end of the day, a one video you play, bro. You not play more than one video, brother. You understand? You are played that because you don't get a little reel after that and you ask you little phone light. You see it? But that no means you do well because this was the last part of the show with the last song. We are talking about, so you clip out like about what? You clip out like about 2 minutes out of 1 hour video. And you go pull up that and say, yo, this is not talk about and say man flap. When you have a whole 58 minutes, well, you not show no clip of that one day. Eh? Just because you don't want it look no way, bro. And that's why an artist now grow, bro, and learn to perform, brother. Because you know they're on the man and you just hype up the man, brother. You understand? And you know what the worst thing is? Masicka, he just humble himself. Nobody would now pre no video and beat him, so. Are the things them we must say in the media. I go on like him are the man. So we say, alright then, since you are the man then, prove it in your performance and make we see. The song them when you say you have hits, make we see the crowd real like say hits. You understand?
Again, different song are going to cause a different reaction. Masicka get 1 hour performance. And every song are going to cause this, are going to call for this reaction. You don't expect 1 hour everybody pound. Bow, light up here and jump up. No.
So wait there. So you pull up one video, Whites. So wait there, you tell me say the whole Whites alone as a bad man song, Masicka singing the whole performance? One to the rest of the clip them. Why you never pull up 3 or 2 clip? You pull up 1 because why? You want to prepare for that one day. You understand? That I want to clip out to make it look good.
Masicka have some calm songs, bro. You get what I say? When they require that much reaction, that doesn't mean flop. So that narrative them I bring, bro. Narrative. For the whole performance, bro, Masicka move from side to side on the stage. Masicka dance, Masicka sing, Masicka give you real performance, bro. This is one of the best performance them in a dancehall, bro, for a long time. Which other performance we can point to?
Yo, dog. Yeah, and this, you know, you get serious, you know. The man said this is one of the best performance. The whole world said the performance is the best. Yo, to no dangerous, dog.
I think them want to say Masicka performance. Which other performance we can point to? How many dancehall artists will make sense?
Yeah,
my
bro.
side, just focus on man. Hear me, hold on, my side, focus on man. As what
People, a ball, him a go ball, you know. I can't believe say man, him a cry, dog. Just hear, a cry, him a go cry, now.
man come in and chat and start about something else. We just get distracted. Like, come on, man. Focus on man. Sometimes man will give
Focus, baby Crocs, focus.
them attention, now, bro. As one eye guys come in and chat, we're all distracted. Jesus Christ. Focus on my side, please.
Not even a little artist can perform again, bro. Can perform again. And I say Spice not the show. If it on the show is still lame. Because me even hear some people that say the Toronto show ain't do, bro. It never ready. The dog just can't perform again. Can't perform like Masicka, bro. People literally bored when them there at the show, bro.
People, them are gonna have a cartel now, you know. Yeah, man, you ready, man?
Let's be real. How often you see them on the show outside Jamaica, them are the artists, yeah? So all eyes on Masicka. So a man never stay about and see a whole 1 hour performance and look pan and try and use some little 2 minute clipping I make a judge. It's a 1 hour video. I have songs where people are post blank. You have that within the 1 hour.
But really?
That's in the video. Yeah.
But the point where me not hear your bro is like this. And every song people might jump on bus blank. If you check it out, brother, the people they must sing, bro. People they must sing along with the man and a rap, bro, and enjoy the performance, bro.
Him just said third one.
Oh, he said it already?
Yeah, that makes it fully.
Oh, God, bro, with the people that full joy performance.
Yeah, every song will require, and every song require bus blank.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Bro.
So that I don't talk about the performance, I have a question for you ask.
The people them
I pray to post the wall, so I have a question for you ask.
Right through the sing. Remember, say Masicka catalog is that a
Boy, the baby Crocs them a ball over there. But look at now, I'm gonna show you one clip. Foolish youth, cause no superstar level, dog. You understand? I'm gonna show you superstar level. We don't ask the phone light. You see it? Pre this. So this are no artists. I beg for phone light. Superstar no beg for phone light. You understand? Look at now.
A few moments later.
So look here now. This a real superstar. You understand? Cause you talk about Michael Jackson. Look at this, brother. You don't think you're not ready yet. Yeah, man. We're not ready yet, dog. You see it? We're not ready yet, brother. So, we're just go and do a little baby Crocs move. Yeah, man. To no reach. Just have patience. Yeah, man. I want to reach, man. But people, you don't know, you know. Yeah, man. I want media facts, man. You know what things said. That is it.